Okay, so in this tutorial, we are going to discuss about the Google Finance formula. Basically, the Google Finance formula is the formula to extract the currency rates, stock prices from the different platforms. So we will discuss the Google have already give us this opportunity that we can bring that into without anything else, just with the help of the formulas in the Google Sheets. So let's discuss this. Okay, so first of all, let me zoom this one more so you can see it properly. First of all, hit the equal sign, write the Google Finance. So one thing that you have to consider that whatever you are writing here, that should be closed in the quotes. So let me write here the quotes. First is the ticker. The ticker is basically that from which platform the Google Finance needs to extract the values. For example, I want the rates from the currency. For example, what will be the rate for the USD to GBP? So for that one, the ticker, the platform from where we will extract the values. So in that case, the ticker will be the first thing that we are requiring the currency rates. So that should be the currency. Okay, and after that the colon, and after that we have to describe that from which to which we need the rates. So it's USD till GBP. Okay, so that will be my ticker, and after that, that is the attribute. What that means, that either we need the price, we need the opening price, we need the current price, or we want the closing price, or much more about that. So in that case, I need the close price and from which date to date. So the start date till end date. So I want it for the two-day, and hit the enter. So it gives me the closing price for the 1st of September, that is the 0.864. So let's check this, it is correct or not. So here I have already write it there. So USD to GBP. So it gives me the same figures, that 0.86. So this is correct. So for example, if we want to extract the historical data like the 1 month data into the Google Sheets, what we should do that. So simply go here where I have write the 2-day. So we will mention the start and the end date. You can write the date here, the straight with the date, but I will use the date formula because there is one thing with the formulas that if you will mention the date, sometime it will create some issues due to the formatting of the dates. So it is better for me that I will use the date formula. So the date 2022, the month, the year, and the month is the August, that is 8, and the start date should be 1. Okay, so after that the date, again the end date, month, year should be 2022, month should be 8, and then date will be 31. So close this. Let's see. Okay, now you got the complete month currency rates against this currency from USD to GBP. Let's say if we will need some other currency, not the GBP, so Hong Kong. So let's check this one as well from the HKD, the Hong Kong dollar. So it's showing me that on the 9th of August that was 7.85. So 7th of August 7.85, and after that it was dropped on 7.84 on 12th of August. So the 12th of August it was 7.84. So don't worry about the decimals because so you can see about. So on 12th the number was 7.84. So in this way you can import the currency rates into the Google Sheets without doing anything else, just with the help of one formula. Let's say if I want to import the stock values into the Google Sheets, then how should I do that? So simply go to this tab. Here I already have the New York Stock Exchange website. So I will tell you how you can find the ticker. So the first portion of the ticker is the source of the website from where you are extracting the information. So this NSDAQ, so this part, that nsdaq.com, that is my first part of the ticker. So simply write here NSDAQ, and after that it's the symbol of the stock. So for example, I want to import the Tesla price, so that's the TSLA. Now hit enter. Okay, so something get wrong, sorry. So it was NAS, so I have write the NS. Okay, so here you got all the price of the stock. So quickly let's check this if the price is correct or not. So I already open here the 1 month stock price. So let's say on the 30th of August it was $277.7. So on 30th of August, so let's do 277.7, and on 29 it was 284.82. So on 29 it was 284.82. So in this way you can bring the stock values into your Google Sheets without any hassle. Let's say you want to add the Apple stock value, so AAPL, that's the sign. So go here, AAPL. So let me open this graph as well. Okay, for the 1 month, the last price for the stock was 30th. So here is the 30th of August, that 158.91. 158.91. On 29, let's see some other random dates. That's the 10th of August, it was 169.24. 10th of August, 169.24. So in this way, that's the close price, right? So in this way you can use the Google Finance formula. But at the end, I will share a quick tip with you that you can also do more with the Google Finance formula. If you will go for the Google Help for the Google Finance formula, here is the Google Help for the Google Finance formula. I will also mention this link into the description as well. And from here, you can see that there is more attribute option that you can also use in your Google Finance formula, just like the price, the real-time price, price open, what was the high, what was the low, what was the volume, the current day's trading volume, and also much more. For that is the same currency to extract the currency value. So this is the one that I have used previously. And the more attributes, there is a basically library for the whole attribute section, so you can also use into your calculations and as per your need, that what you want to require from the Google Finance. So that's it for today. Hope you have learned something new in this tutorial, and if you have learned something new, please do like this tutorial, and also don't forget to mention your questions and suggestions down below in the comment section. We will see you in the next tutorial. Until then, take good care and keep watching 5 Minute Session.